Good morning. Today we're going to be taking a look at the NexTool Knight K40. It's an urban EDC multi-tool folding knife. I wouldn't call it a multi-tool. I prefer multifunctional knife. So it's got an axis lock for smooth one-hand operation. And then it features Sandvik 14C28N steel for the main blade. So 14C28 has been showing up more and more in NexTool's products, and that's good. It's actually a Swedish steel, and although it's not quite as hard as D2, it's actually tougher and has more corrosion resistance. So that's actually good. And it has a locking bit holder, so 4mm bits, and I suppose it's held in place by magnets. So on the side, we just have here the NexTool 10-year warranty. And then it features G10 handles and weighs only 90 grams. Then the blade length is 77mm, and it's got a sheep's foot blade. And then it also has a deep carry clip for discreet carry. So at the back, we just have an illustration of the knife here with the 5 tools. So Phillips, flathead, bit holder. I suppose that would be a 4mm socket driver. And then the clip, which I don't consider to be a tool. And then, of course, the knife itself. So we have some specs here. So blade material, 14C28N. Handle material, G10. Frame material, 420J1. So I suppose that holds for everything other than the blade. And then the blade lock, of course, is the axis lock. Dimensions is 91 by 26 by 17mm when it's closed. And then weight is 90 grams plus and minus 5 grams. And of course, it's made in China. So let's open it. So we have here a crumpled user guide. Set this aside. And then a desiccant pack. And then we have the knife itself. So it looks really nice. Very good build quality, as we've come to expect from NexTool. So G10 scales. Very well centered knife blade. So thumb stud opening, axis lock. Then you have the bit driver here. And then the pocket clip. Good tension, but it's not reversible, so because it will be blocking this bit driver. But I suppose that's fine for most people. Let's take a look at the blade. So we have a sheep's foot blade. There's some jimping here. So NexTool's blades are mostly sheep's foot. Not very sharp. The spine is very thick. So from the hilt all the way almost to the tip, it's practically the same thickness. And then it tapers down at the edge, at the tip. Kind of like a reverse tanto, so this is going to be a very strong tip. And then it says here 14C28N. So the N here is actually for nitrogen, which is for hardening the steel. If you're familiar with Nitro-V, that's the same technology that they're using there. So we have a bead blasted finish. Easy to close, easy to open. It's definitely a very fidgety knife. And then we have here the bit driver. So it locks on a 180-degree position. Magnet for holding the bits in place. So we have the 4mm bit here. We have a slotted 3.5 and a Phillips number 1. So it would have been nice if this were a 1/4 inch bit driver, but we only have a 4mm, so I guess that's still okay. We can just replace this with a bigger Phillips, like the one from the Cyber 2, from the Victorinox Cyber 2. Or if you don't like a screwdriver, you can have an Olight Eternal pencil. That's also a good thing to have. So it's locking. There's a liner lock here. It seems that NexTool went overboard with clearance. So you don't actually need that much. But thankfully the G10 doesn't flex, so or doesn't flex that much. So that's good. So yeah, it's actually fully lined. And then the liner has lightening holes. And then one thing here is that there's only one position for the springs. Which is kind of disappointing because although this is smooth, it's a little bit stiff, for me at least. So it's unfortunate that I won't be able to adjust this. Still fine. So yeah, overall a nice knife. It's definitely something that I would carry with maybe a pair of pliers like the Knipex Cobra XS. And then you have a nice knife here, which is, I think, the most important tool to have in an emergency or survival situation. And then you have this extra here, the bit driver with a Phillips and a flathead. So yeah, it's definitely a nice knife. I like where NexTool is going. But what about you? What do you think? Is this something that you would EDC? Please comment down below, and thank you for watching.